Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing this check-in for week 4 a little bit early, and I just want to clarify just in case there's any confusion. And of course, just so you're aware, I'm using Notes here or Pages, which is an Apple document, just in case it looks a little different. But this week, you're reviewing resumes and CVs, or resumes or CVs, which is, of course, what you use to apply to a job with. However, your cover letter is due this week, so you need to take some of the examples. And this is an example that I uploaded in week 2, and it notes this in week 4. You go in there and you come up with a cover letter, which is kind of like a mission statement to submit for this week. So that is due a week from Sunday, 10th. So be sure to review what a cover letter looks like. If you just glanced over it in week 2, make sure you're ready to go to submit it. In relation to week 4, we jump into resume building, and we have a little lecture in regards to how to build a resume, what the perfect resume looks like. Your assignment here is your mini assignment, just to upload a cover letter. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do the best you can, and I'm happy to give you pointers there. And then you also have a week 4 review. So that's due next week, of course, after the holiday. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you're doing well, and I appreciate all the effort. Thanks so much.